Hello crafters, welcome back to a new tutorial. My name is Mary and I'm a crochet designer. Today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful fringe which I used in my design. It's called the Fulwari scarf. I will link to the pattern in the comments. In this sample, as you can see, these beautiful fringes here. I have used this in a scarf, but you can use this in shawls, blankets, or cushions. Let's quickly start. What you will need for this: a pair of scissors, a crochet hook, you need the yarn with which you want to make the tassel, and you need a template. I've used a Amazon cardboard box cut out to make this sample. This sample is 4 inches long. You can have it longer. If you want, you can have it shorter. Now, here is the sample on which I will be making the tassel. So let's get started. Take your yarn, wrap it around 1, 2, 3, cut the yarn, cut the yarn and cut here at the center. Hold the yarn in the middle such that it forms this loop. Take your sample, insert the crochet hook through the stitch you want to add this tassel, insert through the 3 loops. Let's try this again. Okay, insert your hook through the stitch, insert it through the 3 strands, pull the 3 strands. If you are a crocheter, you know what a chain stitch is, but if you are not, it's fairly simple. Hold the 6 strands and pull through the loop. Tug to make this tight. Here you have it, guys. The tassel is ready. Let me show this to you one more time. Take the yarn, loop 1, 2, 3, cut the 2 strands that's here, pinch it in the middle, see that it forms a loop. Take your crochet hook, I'm skipping 2 stitches here on the 3rd stitch, insert the hook, insert your hook through the loop, the 3 strands through, and okay, pull it through, right? Okay, oops, okay, here I have a second one. I have made some more samples over here to finish my tassel. Once this is done, I will show you how to form the beautiful lattice that you saw in the sample that I showed you. Third one, take the next, the center. See that you're inserting your hook from the same side to maintain uniformity. This is my last one. The last stitch through. Okay, so now this is ready. Now we will try and make the lattice shape. Now each tassel has 6 strands. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. The first 3 strands, let it go. Take 3 strands from the first and 3 strands from the second. Hold them together and make a knot. Here we go. A knot. Pull it tight. Right, here we go. Take the 3 from the second. Take 3 strands from the third and knot it. See that your knots are leveled so that it's uniform and it's pretty. Okay, repeat that with the third and the fourth. It's a jumble of strands. Okay, here we go. Third and the fourth. We form a loop. Here is my knot. Okay, I check if they're at the same level. Make it, yes, make the knot tight. I take the fourth and the last one and I form a knot again. Okay, did something wrong here. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we have the knot. Now with the first and the last 3 strands, we knot with themselves. Here we go. And so our tassels are ready. In the end, you can hold them straight and level them, cut them so that they're at the same level. You can use a cardboard or anything flat so that they are all at the same level. You can keep it here. Okay, little higher maybe. Okay, I'm sure you'll do a better job than me. So here you have it. Your tassels are ready, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I have a website where I have some free patterns and some beautiful paid patterns. My website is maryrenji.com. I will link the websites in the comments too. If you enjoyed this video, do share and like the video. Have a great day.